Welcome to billwerk. In this video, we will show you how to connect billwerk and Mailchimp using Zapier. In explicit, we will create a Zap that will automatically send a confirmation email to a customer when an order is successfully posted to billwerk. But first, we need to connect our accounts. Before creating this Zap, make sure your billwerk and Zapier accounts are connected. You can find guidance how to do this linked in the description of this video. Now we need to connect our Mailchimp account to Zapier. Go to Zapier, select Connected Accounts and then Mailchimp. Provide your username and password and press Login. As you can see, now both accounts are linked to Zapier. We can make a Zap. First, name your Zap. The Zap we are going to create consists of 3 steps. A trigger, where we define when the email is created. A search, in which we define the information relevant to send the email. And an action that will then lead to the email being sent. For our first step, we choose the billwerk app and then select Order Succeeded as our trigger. Then we press Save and Continue and Save and Continue again. Now we can pull samples from our billwerk account. To do so, we must create a sample. Go to one of your checkout pages. In this case, we want to order a premium package. Scroll down to the invoice data, provide the data required, and select the payment method. Now you can press Order Now, and your sign up was successful. Switch back to Zapier and press Pull in Samples. Press Continue. And our trigger was successfully tested. Now we select billwerk again for our next step. Then we select Find Customer, press Save and Continue, Save and Continue again, then select the customer ID from the drop-down menu and press Continue again. To finalize, press Fetch and Continue. Now this step was successfully tested and we can press Add a Step to add our next step. This time we will choose the Mailchimp app. We use Add Update Subscriber and press Continue. Then we press Save and Continue again. Now we choose a list we want to add the person to. And very important step, select our subscriber's email address from the drop-down menu. For the next 2 options, you can select what you want. Update existing will lead to changed user data to be transferred to Mailchimp. We press Refresh Fields and then select our customer's first name, last name, an address, then we press Continue. We now test the step and finish. Our Zap has now been created. To use the Zap in action, you mustn't forget to turn it on first. Now, whenever a contract is created or changed in billwerk, the customer's name, email and address will be added or updated in the chosen list in Mailchimp. If you then also configure an email template in Mailchimp, you can send out automatic order confirmations like this one to your customers.